Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today, I am here in front of you all with a new chapter that is Olympic Value Education. In this chapter, today we will study about Olympics. As you know, that Olympics are the games which are held in every 4 years. But do you know that these games have been started since ancient Greece, and it was started on 776 BC, that is before Christ. So in this topic we will study about modern Olympic Games and ancient Olympic Games. Here we begin. In this slide I have mentioned you about Olympics that are categorized further into two categories, that is ancient Olympic Games and modern Olympic Games. Ancient Olympic Games were started on 776 BC and modern Olympic Games were started from 1896. Okay, ancient Olympic Games. I have made the summary of this ancient Olympic Games which will be beneficial for you to read and to understand simply. The first one is the ancient Olympic Games used to held at ancient Greece. It was started in 776 BC. These games were held in the memory of Lord Zeus. Lord Zeus was the god of sky and he was known as the father of all the gods. These games held at the Olympia Valley. The ground, the playfield name is Olympia Valley. These games were held at 4 years interval. Period between two games, that 4 year interval के बीच में का जो ड्यूरेशन होता था वो पीरियड को टर्म्ड किया जाता था ओलंपियाड. Women can't see and participate on the ancient Olympic Games. First women participation was on 1900 at Paris in modern Olympic Games. In 394 AD, the ancient Olympic Games were banned by King Theodosius. Now here we come with the rules of the competition, that is ancient Olympic Games. First, participant must be Greek and from a particular race, that is Hellenic race, and he must be physically fit. Savaged and punished persons are not allowed to participate. जो भी बंदी होते थे और जो भी पनिश्ड होते थे, जिन्हें युद्ध के दौरान कैद कर लिया जाता था, वो पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए अलाउ नहीं थे. पार्टिसिपेंट हैड टू स्टे 1 month बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द गेम्स इन ओलंपिया. जो ओलंपिया ग्राउंड, जो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया ओलंपिया वैली में होते थे, तो वो ओलंपिया जगह में उन्हें 1 महीना पहले से ही वहां पर रखा जाता था. दे स्टे सो डेट दे कैन पार्टिसिपेट प्रैक्टिस फॉर 1 month. और ये सब इसलिए होता था ताकि वो 1 महीने की प्रैक्टिस कर सकें. दे हैव टू टेक द ओथ दैट ही हैज टेकन ट्रेनिंग ऑफ 10 months इन हिज स्टेट. द पर्टिकुलर स्टेट और डिस्ट्रिक्ट फ्रॉम वेयर दे हैव कम, they have to take oath that they have done the training of at least 10 months on his particular state. Only amateur can participate, not professionals. जो professionals होते थे they are not allowed to participate there. Amateur are the peoples, those who are not professional. They don't play the game for earning the money, or that the game is not their profession. They play just for a fun. They only used to participate on this ancient Olympic Games. Now here we comes with the opening ceremony of games. First of all the participants along with their trainer, father, brother used to assemble in auditorium. Participants has to take oath in front of the experts that they will follow the rules which they learned in training. जो भी उन्हें 10 महीने की ट्रेनिंग में laws और rules सीखे हैं, they have to take oath that they will follow the rules. After that, a pig was killed and offered to god Zeus. This is the ritual, to kill a pig and offer to god Zeus. Then players were introduced to spectators. जो भी देखने आते थे उन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस कराया जाता था. और अगर किसी भी स्पेक्टेटर को कोई भी ऑब्जेक्शन होता था पार्टिसिपेंट से रिलेटेड कि उसने 10 महीने की ट्रेनिंग नहीं करी है या वो सैवेज है तो उसे पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करने दिया जाता था. आफ्टर दिस डिक्लेरेशन इज डन टू स्टार्ट द गेम्स. In this box, I have mentioned some of the important things that you have to learn. In ancient Olympic Games, 400-yard walking was included in 724 BCE, 3 miles race in 720 BCE, pentathlon included in 708 BCE. This pentathlon event includes 5 games. The games are discus throw, long jump, javelin throw, stadium running, and wrestling. Boxing was introduced in 688 BCE and horse race in 648 BCE. Now the 5-day program for the ancient Olympic Games. First day is reserved for all the religious functions. Second day march past होती थी, जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट होते थे उनका इंट्रोडक्शन होता था. देन चैरियट रेस, हॉर्स रेस एंड पेंटाथलन. थर्ड डे रिचुअल ऑफ सेक्रीफाइस एनिमल. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि गॉड जियस को पिग काट के चढ़ाया जाता था, तो वो सेक्रीफाइस जो एनिमल होता था वो थर्ड डे होता था. फिर उसके बाद रेसेस, देन रेसलिंग एंड बॉक्सिंग. 4 days रिजर्व्ड फॉर एथलेटिक्स, रेसलिंग एंड बॉक्सिंग. एंड 5th डे फॉर रिक्रिएशनल प्रोग्राम्स एंड मेडल सेरेमनी. नाउ here we go with the awards. Food, grains and animals given as reward. Crown made of olive wreath leaves. It is very important because this is the most important honor for the winners in ancient Olympic Games. Crown made of olive wreath leaves given to winners. More focused on respect and honor instead of awards. Statues were made of the winners and their names were recorded in the books of history. Now we come with modern Olympic Games. Modern Olympic Games were started on 1896 at Athens. फर्स्ट मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स में 9 कंट्रीज ने पार्टिसिपेट करा था और नंबर धीरे धीरे बढ़ता रहा ग्रेजुअली. और 1972 ओलंपिक जो म्यूनिक में हुए थे उस समय तक 122 कंट्रीज हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड. फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ओलंपिक is Pere Baron de Coubertin and he was born in Paris on 1st January 1862. Now the Olympic motto, that is CTS, Altius, Fortius. CTS means faster, Altius means higher and Fortius means stronger. This motto was coined by Father Dridon in 1895 and introduced in 1924 Olympics at Paris. जो फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ओलंपिक्स हैं पेरे बैरन डी कुबर्टिन ने, उनने ये मोटो फादर डिडन से लिया और उसके बाद ये इंट्रोड्यूस करा. Now here we come with the Olympic flag. Olympic flag was created in 1913 at the suggestion of Coubertin. Firstly, it was hosted in 1920 Olympics at Antwerp. This flag is made up of white silk and contain 5 interlocking rings that represent 5 continents, that is Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, America, with colors blue, yellow, black, green, red. In this picture you can see the blue continent में यूरोप का नाम दिया गया है, ब्लैक में अफ्रीका का. दिस इज टोटली अ मिथ. फादर ऑफ ओलंपिक गेम्स कुबर्टिन ने किसी पर्टिकुलर रिंग को किसी कंटिनेंट का नाम नहीं दिया था. एंड इट इज अ सिंबल ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप एंड कोऑपरेशन बिटवीन ऑल द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. These things are very important. They can come in your short notes that is I have mentioned. Olympic flame, Olympic awards, Olympic oath, and Olympic then flag and Olympic motto. Now there is Olympic flame. It was introduced in 1936 Olympics at Berlin. It is a symbol of knowledge, life and happiness. Moreover, it is a symbol of continuity between ancient and modern Olympic games and peace. This flame is lighted in Olympic village of Greece and carried by runners to the place where Olympic games are going to organize, and it is extinguished at the end of the games. जो ये ओलंपिक फ्लेम है ये जहाँ पर एंशिएंट ओलंपिक होते थे वहाँ पर जलाई जाती है और उसके बाद हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्टेट के रनर इसे कैरी करते हैं दौड़कर खुद, और धीरे धीरे ऐसे ही ये वो जगह पे पहुंचती है जहाँ पर ओलंपिक होने वाले हैं. देन हियर वी कम विद ओलंपिक अवार्ड्स. Olympic awards, first is the gold medal with certificate, second position holder gets silver medal with certificate, third bronze medal with certificate, and next 5 position holders awarded with certificates. Then Olympic oath, This is the Olympic oath that we swear that we will take part in the Olympic Games in loyal competition, respecting the regulations which govern them and desirous of participating in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our country and for the glory of sports. जो ये ओथ होती है टेकन बाय एथलीट्स प्रेजेंट इन द ओपनिंग सेरेमनी. जो होस्ट कंट्री का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होता है, ही कम्स फॉरवर्ड विद द फ्लैग बियरर ऑफ ऑल द कंट्रीज come forward with their country flags, and the representative of the host country takes oath on behalf of all the athletes who raise their right arm and repeat oath after him or her. Now here are the rules for competition. All males and females can participate if they are amateur. If present scenario, professionals are also allowed in some sports, but they are sent by National Olympic Committee. उनको अपनी नेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी से पहले एनओसी और अप्रूवल लेना पड़ता है दैट दे कैन पार्टिसिपेट. विदाउट अप्रूवल और एनओसी ऑफ नेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी, नो ऑफ द एथलीट कैन पार्टिसिपेट ऑन द इवेंट ऑफ ओलंपिक्स. हियर वी कम विद द ओपनिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ ओलंपिक गेम्स. ओलंपिक फ्लेम इज लिट इन ओलंपिक विलेज दैट इज इन ग्रीस, brought to the city where games are to be held. Athletes take part in march past and takes oath. Current president of IOC, that is International Olympic Committee, delivers a speech. Then he invites the representative from host country, that is president or prime minister. They have to hoist the Olympic flag and declare the games open. ओपनिंग सेरेमनी के बाद गेम का सिलसिला शुरू हो जाता है और उसके बाद अंत में आती है क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ ओलंपिक गेम्स. Again, athletes assemble in the stadium. Mayor of the city or president of managing committee or organizing committee escorts the president of International Olympic Committee. Then medal ceremony happens. After that, president of IOC declares the game closed. Olympic flag is lowered down and handed over to the mayor of the city. Olympic flame is extinguished. Games come to end with Olympic song. Here is an important note I have mentioned. Till now 3 times Olympic games have been cancelled. That is on 1916 due to First World War, 1940 and 44 due to Second World War. Olympic Games in 1906 was organized to celebrate 10th anniversary of modern Olympic Games. This is the chart for the year and venue of Olympic Games that are held so far. यहाँ पर 1906 में एक स्टार मेंशन है, ये इसीलिए है क्योंकि 10th एनिवर्सरी के लिए 4 साल का गैप नहीं करा गया था. और आप देख सकते हैं 1916, 40 और 44 में नॉट हेल्ड ड्यू टू वर्ल्ड वॉर फर्स्ट, देन वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड एंड वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड. दिस इज द एंडिंग ऑफ दिस एंशिएंट एंड मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स. आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. गो थ्रू दिस प्रेजेंटेशन वंस मोर एंड आई थिंक you will know the difference between both the games. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.